stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, loved, loved.
Sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be.
Hey, you know, everybody's talking about the good old days, right? Everybody, the good old days, the good old days. Natatandaan mo pa ba yung mga salitang yan, sweetheart? Nung araw, madalas tayo mamasyal, di ba? Sa Luneta, sa Fort Santiago, sa Paco Cemetery. Madalas tayong manood ng sine. Paikot-ikot tayo, namamasyal. Sa pagtanda kaya natin makakadalawa ka pa kayang kilometro ng pamamasyal. Aakayin mo kaya ako sa paglalakad? Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailan may, nasaan may, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo?
birthday just for you.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and long life para matikman mo ang sarap at saya ng may apo. Malapit na si Kim, no? Magka-baby. Masaya yon, nakakabata yon. Sige po. Wish you happiness. Thanks. Bye.
Hello ma'am, happy birthday po. Sana po mas marami pa pong birthday ang dumating sa inyo dahil napaka-busy niyo pong tao, hindi lang po ginagawa niyo sa hindi lang po para sa atikha yung ginagawa niyo, kundi para sa pati sa pamilya niyo. Sana po mas marami pa pong birthday ang dumating sa inyo. Happy birthday.
Hi Mamay, happy birthday po. And may you continue to touch and enlighten the lives of others. Pasensya na, medyo camera shy, kaya kailangan malayo para maitago ang mga hindi kagandahan sa mukha. But anyway, thank you for making me a part of Atikha. And yun po, happy birthday po ulit. Sana po ay mas marami pang biyaya ang dumating sa inyong buhay dahil napakalinis ng inyong puso. Sana po ay hindi. God bless na lang and stay happy and in love with Sir August. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Go.
May, gusto kong samantalahin sa isang espesyal na araw na ito ang pagbati ng Ein herzliches Glückwunsch zu deinem Geburtstag. Du bist ausgezeichnet und einmalig. Sana lagi kang healthy, happy, and full of passion sapagkat marami ka pang matutulungang tao sa pambihirang katangian mo. Gott hat dich sehr geliebt und vielen Dank für alles.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Ano bang wish natin para sa iyo? Yun. Health, happiness, and enjoy sa pagiging bagong lola. Tapos ma'am, salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin. Tinuturing mo kaming family. And sana patuloy pa rin po ang ating pagsasama. Tapos ma'am, pag isama niyo ako sa island ninyo, ha. Yun lang po, and happy birthday.
Hi, Mamay. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Mamay. Marami pong salamat sa lahat-lahat. Sa tiwala po. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng magkaroon po kayo lagi ng malakas na pangangatawan para magampanan niyo pa po lahat. Alam niyo na, kayo po ang super woman ng Atikha. Sana po magkaroon din kayo ng maraming apo para lalo kayo maging masaya. Yun lang po. Salamat po. I love you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. Wala na po akong masasabi kasi nasabi na po ng mga naunang bumati sa akin. Keep healthy na lang po at long life ang ibigay sa inyo ng buong may kapal. Salamat po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday